What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is, your boy JP, and we're coming to you with another how-to. This is a 2012 Ford F-250 Super Duty, and we're going to be taking the radio out. So of course we're going to be showing you how to take this out, what dash kit wire harness you need. All those will be in the description below as far as links, so you can do this all yourself. So first thing I want to do is take my panel removal tool and come right here, pop all these down, these two pieces right there. As soon as you get it in, you'll be able to pop it. Now I do suggest that you guys use nylon pry tools, or little plastic pry tools. I just got done taking the door panels off as well, as you can see, and I had to use that. So and I was very careful when I actually took these off the first time. But we'll go ahead and disconnect these harnesses. This is for the cigarette lighter. We'll disconnect it. Alright. And this one right here is for the auxiliary, and since we're changing out the radio, we're probably never going to use it again. But as you can see, there will be a 7mm on each side. So there's one right there that we need to take out. Hold on, I'm gonna put this. Alright, so 7mm right here that needs to be taken out, and 7mm right there. So we're gonna go ahead and take those out real quick. And now we just take some pressure. That clip behind there is being a little bitch. There we go. Alright, so that's out. And we got all the room in the world to play with. So now all we gotta do is take our drill, 4 more 7s. And this radio will come home with us. Alright guys, so I got everything wired up. Sorry I couldn't film me actually doing it. You know, I like to just tell you how to take the radio out anyway, but I'm kind of on a time constraint, you know what I'm saying, because this guy is out here kind of waiting. I'm trying to give this to you guys while I'm doing this. So either way, this dash kit I was using was a 995815. The wiring harness was a 705521. CR10 for the antenna adapter, and this is the Kenwood, I want to say it's like the 6705. I'll have all those links down there in the description, just in case you guys want to do this yourself. So but here it is, backup camera. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just a little quick video to show you how to take the dash out, and happy installing.